All right, last step. We're going to put on top the backrest. The way we're going to do that is we're going to draw a shape on top of this part. We're going to start with the arc tool. I'm going to take my arc tool, I'm going to draw it across like that. And it looks like we now have a shape, right? We've got this piece and this piece, but we're a little confused. Okay, if I move this out of the way, you'll notice all we have is an arc. We still need the straight line, we need the arc around the back, and we need another line here. So I'm going to move this back just by Control Z. Alright, so I'm going to get my line tool. I'm going to click on that endpoint and come to this endpoint. Escape to finish that off. Do the same thing on this side. Click, click, escape to finish that off. Now I need to do an arc on the back. So I get my arc tool, I'm going to click on this endpoint, and you can see we're drawing an arc. One thing you got to be aware of is you don't want to be drawing the arc down here. Okay, it has to be flat. So we need to make sure we're up on this surface. So I click, and now you'll notice I have a shape right here, right? So I can triple click this, and we can make that a component. Create. Now we're going to move this. We're not going to copy it, we're going to move it. And if you try moving in a 3D view, so I can see three sides right here, it's rather confusing. It doesn't like to go right exactly where we want it. So what I recommend is look at it in a 2D view. Okay, turn it so you're looking at one flat surface. You don't have to click on the part either. I'm going to click way out here, and I'm going to move it straight up. You see the line is blue. Ooh, bell just rang. Move it all the way up to there. Okay, now I get my my selection tool. Double click to edit. Push pull. You can pull that down wherever you want. And that is your third chair. If you think you've got that all done, you can check this off and we'll tell you what the next assignment is. Hope those help.